Acid rain is any form of precipitation with high levels of nitric and sulfuric acid. Before going ahead, let me request all of you to subscribe my YouTube channel of Knowledge Factory EHS and also like and share this video. Causes of acid rain. Some acid rain is caused by the natural sources like lightning. Lightning strikes in the atmosphere and releases the nitrogen oxides. Volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption releases sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. Most of the acid rain is caused by the man-made sources such as vehicular emission, thermal power plant. Thermal power plant releases most of the sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide while burning of fossil fuel. These substances can rise very high up into the atmosphere where they mix and reacts with water and oxygen and other chemicals to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. This sulfuric acid and nitric acid comes down on the earth's surface along with rainwater. Industrial activity also contributes in releasing sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide into the atmosphere. Effects of acid rain. Acid rain contaminates freshwater sources like rivers, lakes, etc., and it also sinks in the ground. Acid rain is harmful to aquatic ecosystem to survive. Acid rain affects the crops, and the leaves of tree. Acid rain also alters the composition of the soil. Acid rain also affects the buildings and monuments made up of stone and iron. Taj Mahal is also largely affected by acid rain. Statue of Liberty is also getting damaged by cumulative action of acid rain and oxidation for over 30 years. Solutions of acid rain. By adopting cleaner and renewable sources of energy, we can reduce emission of pollutants, which majorly contributes in the acid rain. Thank you. Knowledge is power to your success.